Hello friends, I'm going to show you a cute friendship band that you can make very easily and celebrate Friendship Day with your friends. Are you all ready? Yes, let's start. To do this, you all need a piece of paper cut into rectangular strip, and you can make any shape you want. Here I am showing an example of how you can make smiley, flowers, animals, butterfly. There are so many things you can make. Now the beautiful friendship band is ready. So let's celebrate with our friends.
Hi friends! Do you know why all these friends are gathered today? To celebrate Friendship Day! Wow, that's a loud noise! So, there are so many different friendship bands on the table. How do I distribute? They are already selecting one by one. Let me ask the children to close their eyes and choose the friendship band one by one. So, let's start. Choose one. Pick. Johan, you got star. So which color have you chosen?
Yellow and blue.
Very good. Atulya got?
Butterfly.
Okay, very nice. Vibha got?
Watermelon.
Very good. What Jayashree has got?
Flower.
Very good. Write the Happy Friendship Day. One more time, Happy Friendship Day to all those friends who are watching this video. Children, now wish all your friends